Hi, welcome to Paleo Greenbird. I'm Greenbird, and in today's video I'm going to be opening up a box that I won from a giveaway off of another YouTube channel, a YouTuber named Indian Trace. If you haven't had a chance to check out his page, and if you're not subscribed, definitely check it out. You'll probably find it interesting. If you find my videos interesting, you'll probably find his interesting as well. He hunts for artifacts and usually finds really cool stuff, and because of the volume of stuff he has, he is kind and generous enough to give those away sometimes as giveaways. I joined. It was actually the first time I had been viewing his channel. I'd watched a couple of his videos before I saw this one, but this was the first, the actual first time ever landing on his page. So I thought I'd throw my name in the hat. I like to do giveaways as well. I know it's a great way to help build your community. It's a great way to engage with your community, and I figured, I enjoy doing that, so I would extend that same courtesy to somebody else's page who I enjoyed watching. And I actually won. I wasn't expecting to win, but I did. So part of the stipulation of winning this giveaway was that I had to choose at least one person that I was going to share these artifacts with. I have to send out at least one piece to one person, and I actually chose two people. So really excited. If you know who you are out there, who I chose, I won't call you out by name, but without further ado, let's open this up and see what's inside. See if I can do this. So, as you can see, I concealed the addresses. Pretty sure you can understand why I did that. And I'm willing to bet that this is in a box. Another box inside here that's probably pretty well sealed. Sorry, I can't get the camera any further away. Okay, so I may have to come to the side here a little bit and adjust my camera. So let's see here. So I believe, let's see here. Little message, if you can read that there. It says, "Hope you enjoy. Film and show if you want to." Oh, Indian Trace Ben. So, I guess you'll appreciate that I'm doing this, huh? So yeah, definitely, if you haven't had a chance to check out his channel, he's got some really cool stuff. He's got a lot of videos. A lot. I mean, I tried to scroll to the end of his videos just to see, I'm always curious to see people's first videos, see how they started, and I got bored of keep scrolling, so I eventually just said forget it. I don't care. It's not that important. It's just a curiosity more than anything. This is right down the middle. And I already know what's in here, but everything always looks different when you see it in real life. Boy, what a nice packing job. And look at this. Bonus. So apparently I did not know what was in this bag. Okay, this one's labeled Maine. But you know what? Let's just take everything out of the box first. Go that way. This one's not labeled at all. This is labeled Bonus. I'm saving that for last. This is another one that's labeled Maine. I think I know what those two are. Alright, and there we go. So, get my trash out of the way here. So let's open up this first one here that says Maine. Let's see what's in here. This is going to be exciting. I think I'm going to get a chair and sit down and enjoy this. Plus I can see the camera a little bit better. What a great packing job. He sends these out for free. I didn't have to pay shipping or anything like that. And he also has a blog page that I checked out. I'm not sure if it's something that he is continuing to do. I couldn't find any current content, but all right. Trying to be careful because I don't know what's packed in here. Even though I kind of know the contents of the packaging, I'm not exactly sure what's packed together and what's not. So this is one of the absolute treasures that I was really interested in when I threw my name in the hat for this giveaway. I'll have to take a look at these a little bit later so I can get a better view, but this is a hammerstone. Alright. You can see it's been scratched up, and I don't know. I'll have to ask him, or if you're watching this, Ben, post in the comments and let me know if this is from the plow. It doesn't look like it. I think this is from working the edges of things. Maybe grinding. Maybe that's what that's from. It's from grinding. In fact, I'd be willing to bet that's from grinding. If I was to try and reverse engineer the look of this rock. Alright, so that's great. That's perfect. One of the main reasons I entered that competition, or the giveaway. So, super excited. Appears as though my cat is pretty excited too. Every time I do any type of unboxing or giveaway, she always has to be there. I think she thinks this time I'm doing it backwards. She's like, you're supposed to be packing those up, not unpacking them. I do trades and stuff with people in the mail too, so she's used to seeing me open things. It's always like Christmas around here. I've made some really good friends doing trades and giveaways and stuff like that. Never expected to, but just met some really, really nice people. A lot of which I talk to on sometimes a daily basis. So here is the other beauty, the other treasure, or one of the other treasures. These are all treasures. This is all beautiful stuff. But it's another hammerstone. And yeah, I can see it has those grooves in there. And I'd be willing to bet that that's from grinding. Using it grinding. Look at the shape of that too. Both of these. They're not round. You can see how you can hold them in your hand. Huh. All my hammerstones are round. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Alright, so let's get into this unmarked one. And I have a feeling, based upon what was in the video, there's going to be a few things in here, so I need to be really, really careful when I open this. I don't want to damage these. I mean, these are truly treasures. Everything about them, it's just like going back in history, going back in time. You can just imagine the old boys using these and making points. You know, even when you find them and they're broken, and they're up to thousands of years old in many cases. So, and sometimes older. Oh, look at this, another bonus. Oh, he's really good to me. Thank you, Ben. I appreciate that. Indian Trace is the name of the page again. I hope you don't mind me. I've heard your name on some of your videos and on some of your comments, so I figured you wouldn't mind me mentioning you by name. But Indian Trace is definitely the page name, and that's what you want to check out. So let's start with the main. I'm going to take a good look at this and make sure. In fact, I'm not even going to use the scissors. I'm going to just try and peel the tape off. See if that is possible. I guess I probably should have put some newspaper down. There's a little bit of dirt and grit in here, but that's all right. Trying to open these up slowly. I might need to use the scissors. Of course, I'm like a kid in a candy shop. I should probably just slow down, find where the tape is, peel the tape off. Okay, here we go. Oh man, this is just beautiful. Check it out. Check out these points. I'm going to put them all down first, and then I'll zoom in with the camera. Oh, look at this one. Wow, that one's great. Here's another one. I would have never known this was even a point. Would have never known. I would have walked right past that. Oh, here's a cool one. I know I said I was going to zoom in afterwards, but I can't help myself. Here's a cool one. It's a little bit smaller. Ooh, I like the style of this one. And there's two more little guys in here. And again, I'll zoom in on this whole thing and pan across. Wow, so this is what was in the giveaway. This is what I was expecting. So I also got 2 bonuses. So that's pretty cool. So let's see. And I usually try and throw a bonus in there too. I never expect it, but I always try to throw one in just because, I don't know, it's exciting. Okay, wow. Look at these. These are in some excellent shape. Wow. Definitely a bonus. Thank you so much. These are the first, well, I shouldn't say the first, because I did have some arrowheads as a kid, but these are, I don't have a collection, so this is a nice start to a collection. And I'm going to lay these down, and these you'll have to wait until well, I know, I always say that, but here you go. Here's the other one. I don't even think the camera's picking up all of these. I'm going to have to get them down a little bit. There we go. These are in really good shape too. I mean, these I'll have the ears on them. I mean, most of these ones here have the ears on them. You can see flake patterns and stuff like that. Here's another little one. That one over here. I'm going to move these hammerstones up. They might go out of the camera. No, I guess they'll stay in to make more room for the points. Here's one I really like, is quartz. And the reason that I like this so much is because where I live, there's not a lot of nappable stone. Quartz is really only the natural nappable stone. There is supposedly a small amount of jasper about 150 miles away from me. It's kind of protected though. You're not allowed to do any mining. I mean, you could pick stuff up off the ground, but you can imagine the cabbers and jewelry makers and everything have pretty much picked up all the good stuff. So really, really cool. That was an awesome bonus. I'm really excited about that. I may have to add a third person to the sharing. So now let's go to the bonus that's wrapped in cardboard. Oh, I was going to say maybe it's another hammerstone, and look, it is. And this one is a beauty. I was just thinking that too. I should have said something. I was thinking maybe that's another hammerstone. And you can see in the tip where it's been worked. This one is in really good shape. It's really smooth. Really smooth. Nice weight to it. Really nice weight to it. I don't know, I kind of think, I mean, it's not heavier, but it's pretty close. It's definitely, to me, it feels like a denser material than the other hammerstone. But you can see on the tip there where it's been worked. I can't remember if this one was in the video or not. I remember there was a hammerstone in the video, in the giveaway video, and I was like, oh, I hope he throws that in. And then he said he was going to keep it. So this might be the one. I don't know. I have no idea. It looks like it's been worked on this end a little bit too. So here we go. I was expecting, I think it was like everything in the upper row here and then maybe one or two down here. And instead I got all of those plus all of these ones that are in better shape than the ones that were in the giveaway. It's a nice little quartz beauty and an extra hammerstone. So I have a start to my collection, so thank you so much. And check out Indian Trace. Subscribe to his channel. He puts out a channel real frequently, so if you like that kind of stuff, you'll see it. And not much else to say. Please share, like, subscribe. Have a wonderful day. And this is Paleo Greenbird, and I'm signing out. Alright guys, I apologize. I got so excited I forgot to give the close-up that I said I was going to give. So, we'll start with the hammerstones. We'll just slowly go across with those markings. On the other side too. Boy, that one got some use. Got some weird lighting, so I apologize for that also. Here's the point. Here's that quartz point. I don't know what this material is. It looks like it might be like a rhyolite of some sort, or some sort of really tough chert. This one here is a good size. Look at these. Look at the ears on those. Still notches, such in good shape. There's that quartz one again. And these up here. Just look, you can see the pressure flaking patterns on that one. Gotta get this in better light. You see that. This one here too, that's a beauty. Right there. So anyway, there you go. Hope you enjoyed. I have terrible lighting, but it's just that time of the day. Alright, thanks again, guys.